Hi everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I'm so excited because we're opening up one of my favorite boxes, Goddess Provisions. Their February box. I'm super excited to see what is inside. This box costs $33 a month. It's so worth it. Plus I have a 10% off code that works on this box here, their subscription, as well as their entire boutique. So I love Goddess Provisions. I know I gush about them every single month, so I'll try and keep it to a minimum, but it is so well curated. You get so many amazing spiritual items based on a theme each month. They're totally eco-friendly, company cruelty-free. They plant a tree for every box sold. The quality of everything's amazing. I've loved Goddess Provisions for a long time. I rave about them literally every month. You can check out my playlist I have for all the unboxings if you want to see previous boxes and hear me talk about them even more. But yeah, I think we're just gonna jump right into it. Let's see what we got this month. I hope you guys are doing well. Sorry for the shadow in the video. I know my lighting hasn't been the best, but we're just going with it. How beautiful is this? Live from the Heart, perfect for February. And this is their Guardian of Love box. Each box contains a surprise assortment of items selected with the divine intention and blessing that they be perfectly aligned for supporting your soul's journey. So you can go and visit this one website to see all of the possibilities. So there are variations on it. I think that's really fun. And then we get 5 unique items here, and it talks more about the other perks. Let's see, did I miss anything? I think we got it all, but isn't it cute? We get this piece of paper that also doubles as a little art print. I love the colors of this. So no sneak peek, it's all covered. Let's get started and see what we got. The first item here is by Goddess Provisions, and this is a wax seal set, the Lunar Insight stamp. I love their packaging. There's probably an affirmation somewhere on here. Let's see. But anyway, yeah, there is. Well, it says adorn your letters with a dash of love and magic. I like that. But there's a brass and beech wood handle, metallic, purple, and gold vegan wax sticks included. So cute. Okay. So here is our stamp. Beautiful third eye there. So fun. I've had these before. It makes writing letters and sending things even more fun and cute. And here are the 2 wax points. You just light one of those, let the wax drip, and then stamp it. I'm sure you guys knew that, but I've never done it until I've had a set like this in the past from Goddess Provisions. And it just makes it so fun and so cute. There's a little piece of paper in here. I think it tells you how to do it. Yeah, it gives you instructions too. It's so cute, and I love the colors. Oh, and you can do little love notes for Valentine's Day. Next, let's get this out. Oh, I'm getting those little brown swigglies everywhere, but that's nothing new. Sacred Cycles crystal set. So we get at least 1 crystal every month. But we have a set here by Goddess Provisions in this cute bag. So there's a little pamphlet that talks about all the crystals, which is amazing. So let's see if I can guess. So we have, I believe this is carnelian, obsidian. We'll see if I'm right. I'm pretty sure. Clear quartz and rose quartz. So let's see how this little pamphlet is. But I love crystals so much. These are the perfect size to carry with you. I'm going out later, maybe I like to have protective crystals, but I always have crystals in my purse already in the door and on my body. So okay, the Sacred Cycles crystal set. So let's see what it says here. Yep. So we have obsidian. Oh, and each one is associated with a different moon phase. I didn't know that. Today is I think it's my lunar return today. I noticed that, and I feel like it's like some sort of moon. But it's like balsamic or something, or whatever the one that's closest to the new moon, because we have a new moon coming up, right? I should know this. I need some more tea or something. Obsidian, new moon, and is this okay? Obsidian, which is the black crystal here, associated with the new moon, menstruation, and winter. Clear quartz, they say, is the waxing moon, follicular phase, and spring. And then we have the red carnelian, full moon, ovulation, summer. I didn't even make the connection. It's about our cycles. Of course, rose quartz, waning moon, luteal, and fall. I never think to use different crystals for different points in my cycle. I'm in my ovulation one now, which is with the full moon, because I get my period with the full moon. So yeah, so I'm carnelian. And I was thinking I should bring this out because it's Mars Day, Tuesday today when I'm filming this. I got this one, but I also could use a little more pep because I feel like I couldn't even think about something basic recently a second ago, but I feel okay. It's just like they're on 2 p.m., 3 p.m. I'm like, okay, it's my afternoon tea time. Crystal connection. So then it gives you ways to connect with your stones. You can carry it with you, place it on your altar, place it under or near your drinking vessel, place it under your pillow, put it by your bedside, meditate holding it, place it on your body. I love reading this stuff because even though I've had crystals for a while, I've had a spiritual practice for a while, sometimes I forget to do things or just haven't done them in a while. Like, I haven't used a crystal under my pillow in a long time. I might have to think about that. And then it talks about using a crystal grid, how to manifest crystal grids, the 4 directions. And then there's a sacred cycle mantra for each of the stones. And they each are associated with a different direction. There's so much information on here. And then on the back, there's more information on the stones. There's so much in just this little pamphlet. Oh my God. And you guys know I love all the information, all the knowledge. Give it to me. Yes, this is awesome. So yeah, you can learn even more about the stones there. I won't read everything, but I love that. Super excited about that. That's my favorite thing so far. Ooh, we have a necklace, an obsidian necklace. We have another stone here. And this is the obsidian crystal ball necklace. And the mantra on here, the affirmation is, my magic protects me. This is super pretty. And on the back it says, crystal balls have been traditionally used in scrying, divination, and gazing. And then it has care instructions. This is a 14-karat gold-plated alloy featuring an obsidian stone. And it is adjustable. Super cute. Maybe I'll wear that. Let's see. I should be able to get it clasped. When there's multiple latches, you know, usually like alone, I put necklaces on. Sometimes I have trouble. Especially when I have long nails. My nails aren't too long now. I kind of like them. Let's keep going. Another stone, and this is some organite. Love potion one. So organite's like the life force energy. Yeah, so I can look up on the website and they'll give us more. I have this stone already. Sometimes I use it for pick a card. Well, I use all my crystals for helping with my pick a card readings. But you guys, if you haven't checked out my second channel, Kitty Rising, I would love it if you did, especially if you're into tarot. Awesome. Oh my gosh, I love this. I have this over a pillow in my bedroom, and now I can have another one. This is a pillow cover, and it's so beautiful. It has a third eye on it. And I seriously have this over a pillow in my bedroom, but I am totally happy to have another one. I love the colors, and I love the third eye, with the moon in it, right? Yeah, like little stars. Super cute. I love this. Isn't it so pretty? I think that was everything. So yeah, it was very crystal heavy, but I love crystals. Maybe it's because I'm a Capricorn moon. I've got a lot of earth. I don't know. I just love them. Do I need a reason? So we have the Sacred Cycles crystal set, the obsidian crystal necklace, and we have this organite here with the love potion on it, and then the pillowcase that we just showed you, and then the wax seal set. So you guys have to let me know because there is a variation, so we could get a different item. So let me know what you got in your box. And if you want to subscribe, again, use the link below and that code to save 10% off. And also if you just like one thing or just want to check out their site, I don't have it next to me, I have it up there, or like want to get that planner, which I love. They have the Moon Wisdom Planner. They have a bunch of amazing things on their site too, so that code will work on anything. So definitely check it out if you are interested. I love God's provisions. I love supporting them. And I want you guys to be supported in your spiritual journey and whatever it is you need. And I think they have a lot of great tools and items. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I can't wait to hear your thoughts. I hope you are doing well. I love you so much. I hope you know that. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Oh yeah, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. Gosh, I'm rusty. I love you guys. Bye.